Angela, I just discovered that I'm using a brand that somebody else has a trademark on, and our goods, well, they're identical. What should I do? I'm going to spend the next 2 minutes talking about this. I'm Angela Langlotz. I talk trademarks and copyrights here just about every weekday. And if you have trademark or copyright law questions, drop them into the comments below. I'll answer them on a future live. So sometimes people come to me in a panic because they have just figured out that the brand that they thought was theirs, somebody else has a trademark on it. Oh yeah, and by the way, we're using it for the identical goods. Now, goods don't have to be identical for you to have a trademark infringement problem on your part. But if they're identical, wow, you need to stop doing that right away. So what's the first thing that you should do? Well, you should pick another brand and make sure that that brand is actually available for your use by clearing it through your trademark attorney. Yes, you can go into the USPTO database and do a search yourself, but 9 times out of 10, you're going to screw that up because you don't know where the boundaries are between other people's marks and your mark. So you might inadvertently adopt a second mark that is also somebody else's. Somebody else also has rights to. So don't do that. Actually get some legal advice. The second thing to do is start transitioning to that brand right away. Well, Angela, can't I just wait until I get a cease and desist letter and then transition to my new brand? No. Please don't do this. Because what's going to happen is you're going to get the letter and they're going to tell you stop now, right away. And they may sue you. That's another thing. But if you wait until you get the cease and desist letter, I can guarantee you will not be transitioning on your own timeline. You're going to be transitioning on the trademark owner's timeline, and they're going to want you to stop as soon as possible. They may even sue you in federal court for trademark infringement. So the best way to get yourself out of this mess is to stop using the other brand and transition to something else as fast as you can. They might not even know about your infringement, right? Don't wait for them to find out. Just transition to a new brand and fix the problem before somebody else finds out about it and gets really angry and threatens to sue you if you don't stop. It's always better to make this transition on your timetable so that you can control what happens. If you wait until you get a cease and desist letter, you are no longer in control of that situation, and you will have to do whatever the trademark owner asks under threat of being sued for trademark infringement, a very expensive proposition, by the way, in federal court. So don't do that. Be smart. Transition your brand while you still have control over that process. I'm Angela Langlotz. Find me online at trademarkdoctor.net. I'm also on YouTube at video.trademarkdoctor.net/YouTube. I'm on Facebook at facebook.com/Trademark Doctor. Follow me on TikTok. I'm at Trademark Doctor. Ask me any questions in the comments below. I'll answer them in a future live.